because you don't know Jesus. But I am sure that you don't believe in your father. You know your father. Right? I love what you said, Igbo Anambra State. You don't need to believe the Igbo Anambra. I need to believe you Igbo. I'm a going to Igbo. Onya Abonyi Igbo. I know no Onyi Igbo. Or was I'm near Anambra. He joined our Wagi the street, Putana Anambra. That means he know where he come from. He cannot know Jesus. You don't know Jesus. Because when you know Jesus or you know Bible, are you aware that today the copyright owner of King James Bible is British monarch? That is the Bible some of our good brothers and sisters are dying for. That is was written by one unknown invisible being in heaven. If you want to talk to some pastors, because I am here as an offer holder and Igbo. If you want to talk to some pastor, I'm pastor now. I try some listener but for the purpose of I am a Hebrew God. We only know Chukwukabiama. Maka English our language. And they cannot nickname our own creator name. I am Bodinala Bishop. Palm 3 Bishop. Deuteronomy chapter 28 from verse 1. I went to school and I read Bible very well. From verse 1 or 2. Because you have deviated from a nation that you don't know about will come and take you to slavery. Then you will be forced to speak a strange language and worship another God.
All right, so please, because I'm going to open the phone line. Okay, so let me just take a quick reaction from Pastor Emechebe on this. What do you have to say, sir? Because I'm going to open the phone line shortly.
Yeah,